What if you could drive a car that blends retro charm with futuristic electric mobility? Well, thanks to Caselani, you can. This is the Type-Ami Kit, a stunning transformation for the Citroën Ami, inspired by the legendary Citroën 2CV van. And today, we're taking a closer look. The Type-Ami Kit takes the ultra-modern Citroën Ami and gives it a full-on vintage makeover. With its rounded headlights, horizontal grille, and ribbed body panels, it's a clear nod to the classic 2CV van from the 1950s. It's a tiny EV with a whole lot of personality. But it's not just about looks. The Caselani Kit keeps all the practicality of the Ami. It's lightweight, fully electric, and perfect for urban commuting or small cargo deliveries. And with a top speed of 28 miles per hour, 45 kilometers per hour, it's designed for city streets rather than highways. So, who's this for? If you love retro aesthetics and want a unique, eco-friendly ride, this is a head-turner. It's also a great option for businesses looking for a stylish, compact delivery vehicle with a vintage twist. The Caselani Type-Ami Kit proves that old-school charm and modern innovation can go hand in hand. Would you rock this retro-futuristic ride? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cool automotive content. See you in the next one.